It happened. An asteroid slipped past our defenses unnoticed. We might have just had a close call a few days ago, and most people didn't even notice. A rock hurtling through space, undetected until mere hours before it entered our atmosphere. A cosmic intruder that could have caused chaos, yet we never saw it coming. We're talking about a real-life close call, a rogue asteroid that evaded the very systems we trust to keep us safe from the universe's unpredictability. How did we miss it? Lately, things have been way too bizarre to ignore. This wasn't just another asteroid scare. It's part of a mounting storm of cosmic and astrological activity. Too many coincidences, too many eerie alignments, stacking up to feel accidental. Maybe, just maybe, this wasn't a simple cosmic misfire. Maybe the universe is reminding us, loud and clear, that we're never truly in control. What if this asteroid's sudden appearance is a subtle message from the universe, whispering that the predictable isn't our birthright, but rather a fragile illusion? Could this be a mischievous move by the universe to teach us a lesson? Think about it. This wasn't an extinction-level event. It was tiny, harmless, but the timing, the stealth of it, feels like something out of a cosmic prank, a celestial curveball that gave us a jolt, making us look up and realize how little control we really have. Maybe the universe was toying with us, like a trickster figure out of myth, disrupting our comfort with a playful warning. Because life isn't always predictable. It's a roller coaster full of twists and turns that we can't always anticipate or dodge. The asteroid's sudden arrival could be a gentle nudge, a reminder to embrace the chaos, to stay awake and aware, to find meaning in the unexpected. So what lesson was this cosmic visitor trying to teach us? Are we being reminded that life's unpredictability isn't something to fear, but something to engage with, something that keeps us humble, curious, and truly alive? What else might we be missing in our pursuit of knowledge? Let's pause for a moment and reflect on this unsettling truth. We, with all our brilliant technology and self-assured scientific prowess, missed a speeding visitor from space until it was almost too late. It slipped through the cracks of our high-tech, ever-vigilant monitoring systems like a cosmic ghost. Our state-of-the-art predictions, our overconfident calculations, all of it bypassed in an instant by a 3-foot chunk of asteroid rock. It's a humbling reminder, isn't it? We humans pride ourselves on our progress, convinced we've unlocked the secrets of the universe, that we've mapped out the cosmos and understand its rhythms. But then something like this happens, a sudden, unanticipated jolt that reveals our vulnerabilities. We aren't as invincible as we believe. Despite all our advances, we're still at the mercy of a universe that thrives in mystery. Think about it. If we can't catch something as physical and straightforward as an asteroid, what else are we missing? It's not just about the blind spots in our technology, but also the blind spots in our minds, in our hearts, in our spirits. What truths are evading us? What energies or warnings are right there, waiting to be noticed? But we're too distracted, too immersed in our routines to see. It's an invitation to look inward and reflect. Are there things in our own lives that we fail to detect? Red flags in our relationships, signs from the universe, or even intuitive nudges we ignore? After all, the greatest dangers are often the ones we don't see coming, not because they're invisible, but because we've trained our gaze elsewhere. Did this celestial event create ripples in our energetic field? The asteroid may not have physically struck us, but what if it unleashed something deeper, an invisible wave that disrupted the energetic balance of our world? Remember, even without impact, Celestial events can stir up intense energies, rippling out in ways we don't always notice until we feel them. In astrology, everything is interconnected. Even a small, seemingly insignificant asteroid could have far-reaching effects. Energy is never silent. It echoes, resonates, and transforms everything it touches. Imagine for a second that this asteroid was more than rock and metal. Imagine it collided with our planet's subtle energy fields, causing disturbances that we experienced as mood shifts, unease, or spiritual turbulence. Have you been feeling restless, more emotional, or ungrounded? You're not alone. Reports have surfaced of people experiencing strange symptoms, a sense of dizziness, sudden vertigo, even what some describe as brain zaps, quick, jarring sensations that almost feel like an electric jolt to the mind. Could these experiences be a result of this asteroid event? Consider this. When the cosmos is agitated, it's as if our entire world becomes charged, as if something deep and unseen is urging us to wake up and tune into this vibrational shift. Maybe it's a reminder that our connection to the universe goes beyond the physical. We are, in a very real sense, tied into the same energetic web. When the heavens shift, so do we. When celestial bodies stir, they don't just disrupt gravity. They might just send spiritual shockwaves, shaking the very fabric of our lives. Are there forces out there protecting us, or did we just get lucky? You can't help but wonder. Did something, or someone, intervene to keep us safe, or are we just the beneficiaries of random cosmic luck? Imagine the fine line between protection and chaos, where each passing asteroid is either a blessing from the unknown or a random escape from potential destruction. Protection or pure chance? Sometimes it's hard to tell the difference. Think about it. Many cultures and spiritual traditions believe in celestial guardians, higher beings or protective spirits that watch over us, intervening when necessary. Some would say this near miss was no accident, but rather a silent nudge from benevolent forces, ensuring that our world remained unharmed. Perhaps, just maybe, this asteroid was deflected by an unseen hand, a force working behind the scenes to shield us from danger. Or could it be that this event wasn't orchestrated by any divine power, but simply a brush with the chaotic, indifferent forces of the cosmos? The universe, vast and unpredictable, often dances between order and disorder, leaving us to grapple with our place in its grand and often puzzling design. What if both possibilities are true? That our universe is a mix of randomness and divine mystery? If so, every close call is both a miracle and a testament to the wild, untamed nature of existence. Maybe we should take this as a reminder. Life is as fragile as it is miraculous. Did this asteroid carry energy from another realm, a parallel universe? What if this asteroid wasn't just a simple piece of space debris? What if it carried with it something far more fascinating, an essence or energy from a parallel universe? Imagine for a moment that the universe is not one, but many. Layered realities existing side by side, occasionally brushing against each other. Asteroids could be messengers, not of fate, but of forgotten worlds and hidden realms. Consider the possibility. This asteroid could have passed through realms we can't comprehend, absorbing energies and stories from dimensions beyond our reach. Asteroids, after all, have traveled eons, weaving through the great cosmic tapestry. Who's to say they don't gather remnants from the multiverse, tiny particles of possibilities and dreams, and carry them to our world? Maybe this near impact wasn't just a close call, but a portal opening, a whisper from another dimension that almost broke through our reality. Theories of the multiverse, once confined to science fiction, have increasingly crept into scientific discussions and spiritual musings alike. If this asteroid carried a fragment of another world, what did it bring with it? Was there a shift, an energetic imprint left in the wake of its passing? Let this thought simmer. The universe may be hinting at mysteries deeper than we've imagined, realms where our reality brushes up against others. We are travelers in an interconnected web, where each celestial visitor has the potential to alter our world in ways we barely understand. What if this rock from space carried an ancient message for us? Imagine for a moment that this asteroid wasn't just a random piece of debris hurtling through space. What if it was a messenger, a cosmic envoy carrying secrets older than Earth itself? This wasn't just a rock. It was a fragment of the universe's ancient history, a witness to events and mysteries we can't even begin to fathom. Every piece of space debris has a story. Maybe this asteroid was carrying tales from distant star systems, or echoes from the universe's chaotic birth. Or maybe it held whispers from celestial realms, messages that only the spiritually attuned could hope to decipher. We are so quick to dismiss space rocks as mere objects, but ancient cultures saw the heavens as full of omens, as a place where the divine and the mundane intermingled. Are we missing something in our modern world by ignoring this mystical dimension? Maybe this asteroid was a call for us to tune in, to start listening more carefully to the universe's whispers. After all, the universe is always speaking. We just have to remember how to hear. Has the universe just jolted us awake from our spiritual slumber? Imagine going through life as if in a daze, only to be violently jolted awake by something you couldn't see coming. That's the power of a cosmic wake-up call. It's not gentle. It doesn't knock softly on the door of your awareness. No, it shatters the quiet with a sudden, disorienting rush, like an asteroid narrowly missing Earth, like an energetic wave, shocking your spirit back into consciousness. Sometimes, we need to be shaken to see clearly. This asteroid was a close call, a brush with cosmic chaos. It might have been harmless, yes, but think about how that moment of near miss affected us. Did it shake our sense of security? Did it make us feel small, vulnerable, and mortal, even for a brief moment? These experiences remind us just how fragile our lives and our illusions of control truly are. Spiritually, this could be the universe's version of an alarm clock. Maybe we've grown too complacent, too entangled in our routines, and the universe needed a way to jolt us back to a higher awareness. The concept isn't new. Many spiritual traditions speak of sudden enlightenment, where an unexpected event or crisis forces us to confront our deepest truths. Could this asteroid, hurtling past us undetected, be the spark we needed to reconsider our purpose? To reflect on the paths we're walking? Sometimes, we are so engrossed in our day-to-day struggles, we forget to look up, to pay attention, to listen. Maybe this was a cosmic reminder to break free from spiritual slumber and engage with our lives and our universe more consciously. What asteroids in your life are flying under the radar, ready to impact? Let's bring this cosmic journey full circle. As we've pondered the mysteries of the universe, let's not forget that the greatest unknowns often lie within ourselves. What hidden forces are at play in your life? What are you failing to notice until it's almost too late? Awareness is the key to navigating the cosmos of our own hearts. Just as this asteroid slipped by undetected until the last moment, think about the areas in your life where you might be blind. If you're still watching, I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is very appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and subscribe for more insightful content.